Still struggling to capture the exquisite texture of bracelet videos? Hiring a professional team is not only costly but also often lacks that instant luxury vibe. Don't worry, Sellerpic AI video generation tools solve it in one click. Even beginners can easily create all types of video materials needed for bracelet e-commerce. Click the video to access video template selection. Choose from a variety of templates. Click to use dynamic wrist focus. Uploading is super easy, 3 upload options available. Enter your wristwear type here. And choose from 2 AI models at the bottom left. Select your preferences, then click Use to start. After generation, use the comparison feature to intuitively check how the bracelet fits the wrist and how the chain length complements hand lines. Tap the feedback button at the top right to submit suggestions. Satisfied with the result? Click Download directly, choose from 3 common formats as you like. Schedule and sync the generated content to your store or social accounts with one click. Let's try other images. After generation, you'll find that whether it's a design style or a minimalist one, the overall aesthetic maintains a consistent sense of luxury, with details that always align perfectly with the original. No more blurry wrist details or costly photo shoots. Dynamic wrist focus template delivers crisp, attention-grabbing e-commerce visuals. Log in now at www.sellerpic.ai for a hassle-free, efficient design experience.